tube. We're working with the front suspension on the same 96 SS Impala. We got brand new springs. We got Viking coilovers. These actually got a bearing for when you adjust them. They spin with this nut on the bottom. We're going to assemble and pop these in the front end. They hang just like that. Now we got to be careful not to scratch them up as well. Let's have one bushing up top, this one, and then take the reverse of it after they slide through the hole right here. This goes on top, nut goes on top of that. Don't mind the camera. So that slides in to get this nut lined up, and we can work on positioning the spring, which will be in just a second. That's right through that top hole, just where the shock mounts up actually on these. I'm going to tighten as far as we can. I'll come back and tighten this later with the air. This piece spins. There's two holes on the bottom that line up with the two holes on the lower A arm. We're going to cheat a little bit. Use a tranny jack. Line up the bottom two holes. Pop through all your hardware. Tell you what, I'll move the camera in a second here too. There's our bolts. Center it out on the adjusted nuts of it. That way, either way, it can go forward or reverse still. Always good to leave a little bit of leeway. Get in there and get this thing wrapped up. What we got going. See if I can see this. Okay. Right there are the two nuts that hold it in place. And looking up above, you can kind of see the spring mounts in a certain position. We're going to lift this thing up a little bit. Get the spindle mounted back on. See if we can work my phone magic again. There we go. And lift this whole setup up. Until the spring actually, my jack is old and slow. There we go. Get it right in place. Bring it all the way up snug where it holds in the upper cup of the fingers that hold the spring in place. And we are there. After that, actually spin these bottom two nuts. Tension that spring up a little bit. Let me get a camera in here so you can see. Figure out how to turn this around. Maybe not. Anyway, this right here on the bottom spins. You can bring your spring up to tighten your coil over. Maybe a couple more jacks. Let's go ahead and get that spindle on here. We're actually supposed to put tubular A-arms on this, but the ones that I got were wrong. They didn't fit, the holes didn't line up. These, on the other hand, fit right in. Couple like a hardwood back together. Got brand new nuts, cotter pins. Brand new ball joints, brand new bushings, fully rebuilt front A-arms. Everything's brand new. We pretty much, about the only thing I didn't replace on these is the spindles. But we did end up cleaning them up, painting them up, making them look right anyway. Clean that up a hair more. We'll get this bottom nut on. Okay. Roll that. It's still loose. We're not going to use these calipers right here. We actually have a replacement. This is to be the Willwood brake system. Same as the back side here. Right here. This will be the new caliper on the front end as well. They're a little bit different. But yeah, we got these all hooked back up. Everything in place. New brake lines, e-brake connected again. We're going to be modifying the sway bars on this as well. I haven't even had a chance to pull them out of the package yet. But overall, this is mounting the front spindle and putting back together the A-arms, coilover shocks on the 1996 SS Impala. I'll show you a little more completed in the next video. We got to go get some wheel bearing seals. Everything, like I said, is going to be brand new. Piece by piece, we're putting it all together. And I'll keep making videos. Thank you.